What's up, guys? This is my 99 Honda Civic DX hatchback. This is a 5-speed, and this is a 1-owner car with a clean Carfax. The paint is fading, as you can see, but it's all stock. Look at that, even the window sticker. 12,000 brand new. All stock. Unmodified stock stereo, 5-speed manual. It runs well, it drives well. Smog today. This car is bone stock and never touched. I haven't been getting these as much lately because the prices have just gone completely crazy. You know, people all want them now and the hype has just gone nuts. So I have not been getting these as much as I used to. I can't afford to, you know, buy them and still make any money on them. So this one I was lucky enough to get. It's pretty freaking clean. It just needs, you know, if you want to make the car nice, paint it. But it's all original paint except for the rear bumper has been repainted. It's got 169 on the miles. Air's cold as it's on right now. Factory AC car and power steering. I have all the original booklets. It was bought brand new at Capital Honda. But yeah, it's hard to find them stock, especially in 99 2000. The only dent the car has, right there. Sure, you can get a PDR guy to pop it out, or you can fix it when you paint the car. Runs like a top. All of its fins. Yeah, it runs really good. The air conditioning's ice cold too, which is cool. Most of these don't have air conditioning. Headlights are factory. Original factory Honda headlights. Original plates. Like I say, I do not get these as often anymore. I cannot afford the hype. I'll show you underneath shot, super clean, no rust whatsoever. All stock, never modified. But the body is straight as an arrow. Look at that. So, if you're interested, oh, let me show you this. Even has the package tray cover still. Headliner's clean. But like, subscribe, and follow. This car shouldn't last long. Price is gonna be $7,500 cash. Everyone says, I missed the car, I missed the car. You know, it's hard because I post these and I get hundreds of messages and I gotta weed through everyone. There's a guy in Canada that says, I've been begging for one of these he's been asking me for like 6 months, right? So I called him when I got this car because this is exactly what he asked me for. Oh man, I'm not interested. You know, it's just like excuses. So I'm no longer holding cars for anyone. It's hard for me to even offer cars to people. I lose contact and then I find a car for them and they flake. So from now on, first come, first serve. I'm not holding cars anymore. I just had to say it because, you know, there's just too many flakes out there. You know, I find you exactly what you want and you're like, oh no, just kidding, after begging me every week for 6 months. It's like, people, come on, don't be flakes. Anyway, end of rant. Here it is. Anyone wants it, let me know.